How to see WhatsApp broadcast list info on Android. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Open up your Play Store or App Store. In here, you need to search for your WhatsApp application. Here we have to ensure that our app is up to date. Tap Open if it is up to date and you have installed your WhatsApp app. Now you will find all of your broadcast list or broadcast channel right here in the main feed of WhatsApp. If you tap on the three dots, you will see you can create new broadcast, but there is no particular section defined for your broadcast channels. So yes, you will see all of the broadcast list on the main feed of WhatsApp, as there is no designated section for your WhatsApp broadcast list. Now this is a quick and easy step. But if you face any of the glitch or the bug issue, follow the step. Open up your settings, then scroll down, head to apps, go to all apps. You need to search for WhatsApp. Now in here, force stop it, then head to storage and cache to clear it up. Once you are in your setting, you can head back and navigate to your system update. In here, we need to ensure that our WhatsApp is up to date so that it can support the latest version. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.